Supports up to 5 antennas. Grounded mirror mount. Stainless steel mounting bolts. No drilling required. Install on driver or passenger side mirror arms. Fits 2017 and older Freightliner Cascadia trucks. This CB antenna mount for 2017 and older Freightliner Cascadia trucks supports antennas up to 5 and has steel mounting bolts. No drilling is required and it can install on either the driver or passenger side mirror arms. The grounded mirror mount is compatible with CB antennas, ham antennas, scanner antennas and M/FM stainless antennas. Top reviews from the United States. Great idea. Easy to install. Due to the design and material, the Freightliner is made of, you'll either need a pretty long whip or be prepared to lean out forward. Would also use a ground wire to the negative bus located on the driver's side firewall.